why the Islam destructive over the society. We will discuss about this. How Islam spread it in our paradise, that is the universe or the earth or the world as prophet, so-called Muhammad, he picked the rogue elements of the society. When Muhammad was born in a Jewish or the pagan tribe, he was not the Muslim born. He was converted as a Muslim when he launched a misguided missile known as the Islam. Why I am saying the Islam is a misguided missile? Because it also perishing the lives of the Muslims. As you are well aware that Iran was destructed by Ayatollah Khomeini in 1979 when the Khomeini came to the Iran, and the destruction of the Iran was starting at that time, and the culmination of the civil society, the resultant of the Islam. Islam is the resultant of the destructions of the many countries. As Syria, Lebanon, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Jordan, Qatar, or even some African Arabic speaking countries as the Egypt, Sudan, and so many countries, Libya. So Muhammad, when he was 40 years old, he thought he thought that I am the self-proclaimed prophet of the Islam, and he declared that he was the prophet of the Allah, Islam, and he is the last prophet or the messenger of the Allah. And he proclaimed that 1,20,000 messenger of Allah, the prophet, has sent to this earth. But this is the greatest lie of this Muhammad, because Muhammad has stolen the verses of the Judaism and the Christianity from the book of the Torah, the book of the Jews or Judaism, and the Old Testament of the Bible. And all the angels were converted into Arabic name as Abraham into Ibrahim, David as a Daud, Jesus as a Isa, Mary Virgin as the Maryam. And in the Islam, Maryam is the daughter of Harun or the Aaron. But in Christianity Bible, the Mary is the daughter of the Honek. Father name was the Honek. So Islam is the fraudulent ideology, and Muhammad was not expert. They stolen the exact verses of the Judaism and the Bible because he was illiterate person. And this or mastermind or the Quran mastermind was the work of Ibn Noble, his brother-in-law or the first cousin of the Khadija bin Khuwailid, who was the Christian until death. This is why all these mischievous activities which was done by the work of Noble to only befool or only befool the Muhammad and to insult the Muhammad in the way of these Quranic verses. Muhammad is a self-proclaimed messenger of Allah and perfect killer, pedophile, mental disturbed person, and very mysterious person who killed so many people in his life and kidnapped so many women for fulfilling his lust of the sex. This is the real character of the Muhammad. Muhammad was eager to gain the Muhammad was eager to gain the power by hook and crook. So he decided to make a fallacy of Allah, that Allah is a creator, and in the disguise of so-called Prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah was doing all the heinous crime or criminal activity under the cover of fake Allah. He always stated that it is the order of Allah. If any attack was the order of the Allah, which Allah was created by Muhammad. So those people which are stating as the Mehbooba Mufti that we should follow the path of unity, I would like to ask Mrs. Mehbooba Mufti, where is unity inhibits in the Islam and the Islamic ideology? In Kashmir, so many people were murdered and their women, which were the Hindus or the non-Muslims, were raped brutally and killed in the living stage. Girja Tikku was raped, gang raped by these Muslim goons and cut into two halves by the Ara machine when she was alive, and her body, two parts, thrown in a bush alongside the road. So Muhammad want to be a famous person, and the people which are stating that Muhammad is a powerful personality, as per the book of the Dr. Michael Hart or Michael Philip. But Michael Hart also dictated that the powerful does not mean that he was a good person. I have enlisted so many bad person, so many killers and the robbers in this book, Dr. Michael Hart. And those people were the killers, rapist or the rogue person. I have enlisted, and the Muhammad is enlisted my book that he was a rogue person. He was a perfect criminal. He was a perfect robber, killer, pedophile, mentally disturbed. This is why when the Muhammad incepted the Islam in 610 AD, when he was 40, he compiled all the criminal activities and wishes in him and along with his companions, and all the persons or the companion or the Sahabi or the Sahaba were the rogue elements of the Medina. They were the perfect rapists, certified rapists. They were the killers. They were the robbers, and they were the vagabonds of the Medina. And Muhammad was heading this group known as the Muslims, including the Ansar and the Muhajir. Muhajir means which were migrated from the Makkah, and the Ansar, those rogue people who embraced the Islam only for fulfill their lust of the sex, lust of the wealth, and the lust of the killing or barbaric nature. So Muhammad made an army of the Islam in very beginning and killing so many non-Muslims and kidnapped their women. And all the companions of the Muhammad and himself Muhammad was a perfect rapist and the kidnapper of the woman, because in Islam the kidnapping of the non-Muslim woman is allowed and the molestation of the non-Muslim woman is allowed as per desire of this Allah, which was created by Muhammad. So I would like to say it or this for the Allah, because there is no Allah. Even Muhammad took 20% of the part or the share of the robbery, whether in the shape of the woman, wealth, and other beneficiaries. So Muhammad destroyed all the country, all the world, by spreading the hooliganism or the Goonism, which is known as now Islam, and the followers of this hooliganism or Goonism is known as the true Muslims. I am asking about only true Muslims, not those people which are by birth are Muslims, but they are making a good rapport with the non-Muslims. They are the good person, But according to the definition of the Islam, they are not true Muslim. Because a true Muslim must be a killer of the non-Muslim, must be a rapist of the non-Muslim woman, or he must be a pedophile. So all these bad bad specialties or bad effects, not the specialties. Specialties the positive sense. All negative elements which inhibits in such a person, he is a certified Muslims, or the true Muslim means true Muslim is a certified terrorist. As the Taliban or the Islamic country who are following the exact Islamic rule, they are the true terrorist. Though even the Islamic country is not following the Islamic rule now, because in Saudi Arabia you cannot rape any single woman belong to any non-Muslim community. It is a crime, punishable crime unto death. But this is Islamic country. But why they are not allow the molestations of the non-Muslim women by the Muslims? Because it is though it is allowed in Islam. Because the United Nations organization emphasized or franchised his power, that if any non-Muslim country or a Muslim man rape with the non-Muslim, their general membership of the General Assembly which be debarred, or there will be no relation of the trade relation, social relation, or any type of exchange of the technology. So United Nations organization is more powerful than Allah. If United Nations organization United Nations organization or the Constitution of the United States of the America or India is more better than its Quran, because Quran is a doctrine of the Islamic goons, robbers and the killers, and the Muhammad was a perfect pedophile, rapist and the killer and the perfect robbers. He took 20% of share of the any robbery throughout his life. He also killed so many women. So Muhammad make a fraudulent religion or the cult. This is not religion. Religion is religion meaning is that the relevancy, but in Islam there is no relevancy in context of the human values, human societies, because Islam having the root of the barbarism of the Arabic society. Arabic culture was barbaric in the nature. So Muhammad was following such ideology, which is barbaric ideology, and the most of the Arabians were the robbers, killers, and the rapists of the women. They were kidnapping the women in the name of the tribes. But Muhammad organized all these tribes and converted them to Islam, and these all tribes which were converted into Islam was a army of the rapist, killer and the robbers. And when the army of the Islam empowered all the non-Muslims, they kill all the Jews, Christians and other non-Muslim communities. And the Muslim army gave only two options: either convert to Islam or pay to the Gunda tax or the Jizya tax or the ransom. So Muhammad was the head of the ransoms, kidnappings, killing and the rapes. So those people which are saying, Asuddin Owaisi, Mahmuma Mufti, that the Islam is the peaceful religion, they are telling lie. If they are telling lie, they are not true Muslim. Because a Muslim must be true in his word. And all the imams and the clerics in the Muslim leaders of the world are not true Muslims, because they are the greatest liar when they are stating that the Islam is the piece of religion, or Muhammad is the icon of ours. That if the Muhammad is your icon, the what is the character of the Muhammad? You must read in the Quran and Hadith. You will find that the Muhammad was not only pedophile, but he was eager to gain all the wealth throughout the world by the robbery. This is why he took 20% share of the any robbery which was committed or which was executed by his companions, or the Sahabi or Sahaba in Arabic literature. So Islam is only the path, only the fulfill the lust of the Muslims at that time, Prophet time, and after then, that it is now continue, because Quran cannot be changed, and no jurisprudence or the fiqh or the Islamic rule or the Sharia cannot be changed. Then this barbaric ideology is still continue unless the Muslims are powerful or strong. If they are weak, they can do nothing against the non-Muslims. This is why the Muhammad, when was weak in the Uhud war, his one tooth was broken by the fist of a Jew warrior, and Allah could not save the Muhammad. And you see that all the Islamic country could not save the Palestinians, because they know that our Allah is weak, our Allah is fallacy. If we will fight against the Israel, all the non-Muslim country will be organized and defeat all the Islamic army or the battle Ghazwa. And those Muslims are seeing the dreams in the day that there will be a Ghazwa in. It is a stupidity of the Islam, as the Muhammad committed this stupidity many times. As in Uhud war, he was defeated badly and injured by the Jews. So this fate will be those Islamic people which are following the Islamic path. That is the path of the criminal activity, as Masood Azhar, Hafiz Saeed, Osama bin Laden, and any Muslims who are praising the Muhammad and its ideology, they are certified terrorists. And the Kafir International Army will be organized in very soon to kill all the Islamic terrorists throughout the world, in each every state, every village, and every country, by the wisdom or by the weapons as and when they required. Means the Allah army, what will it require? The Kafir International Army fulfill their will and will send all Islamic terrorists to meet with 72 hoods and the fake Allah and the fake heaven and the fake canals of the honey, wine, water, and honey, and the milk. There is any canal of the milk or honey. It is a fallacy or a prudent ideology of the Islam. So my dear people, this is my Nannu. This is my Nannu, my friend. Coming, you are seeing in this video. This is Nannu, my friend. So, my dear friend, in Islam, it is allowed to kill a black dog. And I have this black dog. This is my friend. This is more better than those pedophile people, those rapists and the killers, which are following the Islam at the time of the Muhammad. This is my video. Please subscribe my channel. Put the bell icon so you could notification well in time. Thank you very much.